So here we have a campfire in one of our developed recreation sites in the provided metal ring, which you're allowed to have under stage 1 fire restrictions. And we're ready to go. We're packing up and heading home. So what do we do about our fire? Well, the way to properly extinguish your fire, you're going to need water and a shovel. So first, we'll take our water, pour it on there. And now I don't see any flame, so you might think, okay, fire's out, time to go. But the next step is to take a shovel, then use the shovel to dig around and make sure that the water is getting down into those hot coals that you've created while you were having your fire. So once you've stirred, go ahead, grab the water, add some more, stir again, and you're going to repeat this process over and over until you can take the back of your hand, put it quite a ways above the fire, and you feel no heat coming off of it. And that's how you know your campfire is cold to the touch and you're ready to leave.